a quarter scale exact replica of the 1893 Huntington train. Sit back, relax, and let your imagination run wild as we roll through the heart and soul of one of California's most beloved family destinations.